Digital Connection, our HR from Digital Connection. You said it right. On the right hand side, yeah. But before we go ahead, I'm really excited, and I would love to talk about this girl, Shreya. She played such a beautiful. What a game! Can we have a big shout out for everybody? We go according to the statistics. Our player of the match is different, but आपका जो performance है, वो बिल्कुल भी यहाँ पर नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता. Well played. Impact player of the match. You played really well, Shreya. Well done. Now moving on to the player of the match. What a game this boy has given in this particular match. 2 wickets and 19 runs in just 18 balls. Can we have a big hand, everybody, for the player of the match? And he is my brother Sanjog. Can we have the memento here? Hey, what was our war cry? What was our war cry? Anybody who remembers here? नहीं वो किसी और ने ले लिया है पेटेंट है अभी वो ओके प्लीज कम हियर ब्रदर संजोग
We have the war cry. So here's our war cry. Bat or ball, day or night, DX United is ready to fight! Woo!
Oh wow, that was a great cameo that we had in the picture now. Is it done? Thank you, Priyadarshini ma'am. Please. What a game and what a war cry! A big shout out for yourself once again. Come on, everybody. Well done, Sanjog. What a game and all the best. Moving on to the next people, we've got Team PIL Panthers and Brookfield Properties Bravehearts. देखते हैं कौन जीतता है. PIL Panthers are batting, but मजा आने वाला है. बहुत ज़्यादा मजा because it's all about Brookfield Premier League season 5 on the Combox.
Thank you very much, Manish.
To the Combox, my brother. Over to you.
Yes, thank you very much, Manish. Match number 3 is now between Brookfield taking up with PIL. A request to one player from the Brookfield team to sit beside the scorer for the coordination. One extra player from Team Brookfield, please. Okay. Let's move towards match number 3. Welcome back. Warm welcome, everyone, to the Brookfield Premier League Season 5. We have completed 2 matches, heading towards match number 3 of Season 5. सभी का जोरदार स्वागत है. दमदार शुरुआत हुई है इस आज के इस पहले दिन ऑफ सीजन 5. Okay, umpires are ready, fielders are ready. Are you ready? Let's play. Umpires are giving a green signal. Yes, play on. Game on. Good bowling, starting with the left arm of the wicket, going back foot and just placing the ball smartly. और ये क्या हो गया, और एक रन लेना चाहते थे लेकिन वापस भेज दिया है. That's a good strategy. Not taking that one more run. Off the mark straight away. Placement किया, run ले लिया. Off the marks straight away. Shaurabh Rathi, Saqib Ansari, the opening pair, and we have Rajat.
And this is going to be the last match of the day. Well, just got to know from the management people, this is going to be the last match of the day. Due to the time constraint. Well, it's fun. 4 गेंदें हो चुकी हैं, 3 रन. PIL Panthers doing what they're best at.
A good start. Match number 3. PIL and Brookfield. First wicket fall. So that's a first wicket fall. A run out wicket. 5 गेंद 3 पर 1. PIL. Rajat coming left arm over the wicket. That's a fuller and played straight. Fielder standing at long on. Single to end of the over. 1 ओवर के बाद 4 पर 1. PIL. What an excitement we have seen the first 2 matches. And what an energy all the players are having. And that's what the cricket is called for. It's not anymore the legends of a men's game. It's not the men's game. It's now everyone's game. It's cricket. It's a gentleman's game. No, it's now changed. Cricket is everyone's game, my dear friend. That's what the strategy changed now. From the yesterday, a big win by Indian women. ICC Cricket World Cup. Coming back to the Brookfield Premier League Season 5, match number 3 is on. 1 ओवर के बाद 4 पर 1. अमोल आए हैं बॉलिंग करने के लिए. अच्छी लाइन एंड लेंथ. इनकी बॉलिंग एक्शन से ही पता चलता है कितना प्रैक्टिस फिटनेस लेवल. देखिए, excellent bowling stuff, and that's the magic of the medium pacer. Good bowling. Once again looking to play a cut shot, but going just outside the off-stump line, and umpiring freeing the arms. Given is wide. Extra added. Going back foot. And single. And now we have Monali. Will face the first ball. Let's see what she can do. Something special. Excellent bowling. Swing and a miss. Oh, that's clean bowled. Excellent bowling from Amol. Second wicket fall of Team PIL. She was trying to play across the line, and that's the reason she got missed hitting on the stumps. But good effort by Monali. What the participation is very important. 1.4 6 पे 2 PIL. Let's see कौन बनेगा ये मैच का हीरो, इस इनिंग का हीरो, क्योंकि कमबैक करना है. 6 पे 2 है. संकट में है टीम. संकट से बाहर अब कौन निकालेगा? Is it Saqib or we have the new batter coming up? Ashish coming up. The new batter on strike. ये देखिए फील्डिंग में बदलाव विकेट के बाद. एक अदब गजब स्ट्रैटेजी अपना रहे हैं टीम ब्रुकफील्ड. He's looking very confident, Ashish. Yes, that I was talking about. He was looking very confident. Striking well, first ball, high in the air, and coming 2 runs. Straight over the mark with a couple. Yes, that I was talking about.
He was looking very
That's end of the over number 2. It's 9 for 2. Coming up, the new bowler in the bowling. Mark-up, Hardik. Hardik will bowl to Ashish. Interesting to watch now. Coming up the next over, Ashish and Saqib. They need to accelerate something on the board now. As the current run rate is just 4.5, it's not enough for them. Now it's time for PL team. Something change in the field settings. Oh, that's a big one. बहुत ही ऊपर चली गई गेंद. इतनी ऊपर चली गई गेंद कि मानो एयर होस्टेस को हेलो बोलकर आई हो. यहां पर मिलेंगे कितने रन? 2 रन मिलेंगे. Runs are adding. That's a refer to the third umpire. They are checking. Boundary check. That's a boundary check. Referred to the third umpire. बहुत ही ऊपर चली गई गेंद. So it's with the umpire. You can see on the big screen. It's a big task for the third umpire, checking the confirmation whether the contact or the fielder touching that advertisement board or not. They have the confirmation. Referring on the big screen, we can watch but it's very difficult task for the third umpire to conclude. That's signaling, that's a confirmation. 4 run के लिए दमदार 4. Excellent shot. जंगलों में शेर, बागों में मोर, बैटर ने मार दिया दमदार 4. क्या अगला बॉल भी आएगा 4 दोस्तों? बिकॉज ये दिल मांगे मोर. यस, बिल्कुल ये दिल मांगे मोर. बैट्समैन करेगा और शोर. This time, only a single, 14 for 2. So what a good bowling from Brookfield. Brookfield Bravehearts. Wow, what a unique name. 2.314 पे 2 PL team. Excellent bowling from Hardik. Let's see what Saqib on strike now. Totally beat ho gaye. What's a big shout there? A big question straight to the umpires. What happened there? Looking to play offside. Cut karna chahte the. A big shout to the umpires. And what's the decision? It's a fair delivery, dot ball. दो 2.414 पे 2. तारीफ करनी होगी जिस प्रकार से बॉलिंग की है टीम ब्रुकफील्ड ने. Down the track, looking to play, completely missed it. कोशिश करेंगे एक बड़ा हिट के लिए. ये आप देख सकते हैं एक्शन रिप्ले ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन. Completely missed it. Good bowling from Hardik. पिछले ओवर में आए 5 रन, इस ओवर में आए 5 रन. अब तक आखिरी गेंद. Look at the bowling run up. That's what the experience is called, Hardik. This time even better and good bowling also. Good bowling and batting both. After end of the 3, 15 for 2. 3 over 15 पे 2. PL team. It's a steady start, but now they have more 4 overs coming up. 7 overs match. And let's see. Once again, welcome to the amazing excitement and fantastic contest is going on. Brookfield Premier League 2025 Season 5 is on. Now we have the new bowler coming up. Okay, Amol is back into the attack. Conceded 5 runs, bit of misfield there, but not to worry, only a single. So Amol only considered 5 runs in his first over. He's got a 1 wicket. Let's see. In this over, he will try his level best. Oh, is that out? Oh, yes. Clean bowled. Old is goal. Batsman got clean bowled. बेहतरीन बॉलिंग प्रदर्शन. हम अभी बात कर रहे थे अमोल, पिछले ओवर में विकेट लेने में कामयाब. देख सकते हैं एक्शन रीप्ले, टोटली बीट हो गया. क्रॉस लाइन खेलना चाहते थे और निराश अपने आप से. दैट्स गॉन. आउट. But very well played, Ashish. Indeed, 8 runs of 6 balls, 3.2, 16 for 3. Samir Parker coming at number 5. Yes, absolutely fantastic placement. पहले पढ़ेंगे, समझेंगे और फिर तोड़ेंगे. यही स्ट्रैटेजी होती है हर बैट्समैन की. और अमोल ने जो अपना एक्सपर्टीज आज बता दिया है, मात्र 6 रन दिए हैं 9 गेंदों में, 2 विकेट लेने में कामयाब. समीर और साकिब के पास अब बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है. Much better, and what happened? Oh, that's one more wicket into the block hole. Excellent bowling the fuller. The ball is just pitching before the crease and completely missed it. One more celebration for the team Brookfield Bravehearts. Brookfield Bravehearts ने PIL का हार्ट्स के इमोशंस सब कुछ तोड़ दिया है. बैक टू बैक क्लीन बोल्ड्स. व्हाट इज दिस हैपनिंग? 3.4, 16 पे 4. अब किसकी होगी जीत और किसकी होगी हार? खटैक. नए बल्लेबाज जॉयदीप. Oh, excellent bowling. Once again, looking to flick to the square leg, completely missed it. Excellent bowling. बेहतरीन bowling प्रदर्शन by अमोल. एक गेंद बची है. Look at the bowling figures. 1.56 for 3. टेस्ट मैच बना दिया है. ये देखिए बॉलिंग देखिए, पर इस बार अच्छा से खेला है. 2 रन लेना चाहते थे लेकिन बैट्समैन थोड़े स्लिप हो गए वहां पर. एक ही रन से संतुष्ट होंगे. ओवर की समाप्ति 4 ओवर 17 पे 4. PIL टीम. Four was gone, 17 for 4. Coming up, the new bowler. Is that Bhavya? Yes. शॉर्ट पिच बॉल पुल कर दिया है, गेंद को गुल कर दिया है. दूसरा रन लेना चाहते थे और ये क्या हो गया? सुसाइडल रन आउट. और एक बार 2 गाड़ी एक पटरी पर, मिला है विकेट. रन आउट. पुल कर दिया है, गेंद को गुल कर दिया है. विकेट. साकिब डिपार्ट्स. 17 for 5. Brookfield They are making a winning strategy. They're trying to restrict PIL team to setting up the big score. And that's what the bowling unit, तारीफ करनी है अमोल की जो 2 ओवर मात्र 7 रन और 3 विकेट, वही पर ही उन्होंने रेस्ट्रिक्ट किया है, चैलेंज दिया है पीआईएल टीम. बट इट्स स्टिल, वो कहते हैं पिक्चर बाकी है, गेम बाकी है. लेट्स सी व्हाट पीआईएल टीम कैन मेक अ स्ट्रॉन्ग कमबैक. The score is 19 for 5. Joydeep and Ro hit. रोहित नहीं है, रो हिट है. क्या रोहित करेंगे? रो हिट करेंगे. And let's see what Joydeep can do. Need some big hittings. He's not got the proper elevation and chance. Is that out? Yes. Quick reflexes by the fielder. Good throw. You're going to see the action replay. And there was not. There was never a run. Still very well balanced by the bowler. So the throw was bit out of his reach, but very well collected and hitting on the stumps. एक और विकेट की पतन. PIL टीम अब संकट में है. 19 पे 6. $19 for 6, a new batsman coming up. Oh, what happened there? Excellent bowling. चार दशमलव चार 19 पे 6. Excellent stop, direct hit, but ये क्या हो गया? 1 run with the overthrow. So 1 run with the adding a score 20 for 6. Last ball coming on with the 5th over. Slow and steady runs are coming. They've lost 6 wickets. Up and over, safe landing, looking for one more run. He said no for it. Just a single, end of the over. Over की समाप्ति. 5 over, 21 for 6. PIL. पाँच ओवर 21 पे 6. PIL पैंथर्स देखना होगा आने वाले 2 ओवर में क्या एक दमदार स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ बैटिंग करेंगे. अब जॉयदीप एंड अतुल जॉइनिंग द न्यू बैटर. रजत बैक इन द अटैक. मात्र 4 रन दिए उन्हें पहले ओवर में. Excellent bowling. This is what we've seen. The magical, the aggression, how the left arm bowler bowled to the right hand batsman. We have seen many bowlers, and one of the fantastic bowler we have, the OG, the legend, the innovation of swing king, Wasim Akram. Is that 2 runs taken? Excellent running, would you believe it? थोड़े से फंबल हुए और 2 रन चुरा लिए. 24 पे 6 PIL. We have something discussion going on there. चौबीस पे 6 Rajat to Atul. That's gone high in the air. Oh, she tried her level best to take that. बट कैच का सपना टूटा लेकिन रन आउट का सपना नहीं टूटा और विकेट मिला है 7वें विकेट की पतन. दिस इज व्हाट. हार नहीं माननी है. कैच भले छोड़ा है लेकिन क्विक थ्रो टू द विकेट कीपर. ओह, ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन. एंड यस, दिस इज अ लेसन वी लर्नड. मोटिवेशनल. हार मानी नहीं है. विकेट मिला है, रन आउट के रूप में मिला है. 25 for 7, 5.2 PIL. Good throw from Rashika there from the square leg. पच्चीस पे 7. क्या स्ट्रैटेजी अपनाई है ब्रुकफील्ड ब्रेव हार्ट्स ने. PIL team a runner up of the season 4. Let's see. We always seen the tailenders have done the fantastic job in the game of cricket. Let's see if PIL team can do that. Something special and घुमा के खेल दिया है हवा में गेंद. सेकेंड अटम में कैच को लपक लिया है और एक विकेट की पतन. समथिंग स्पेशल एंड घुमा के खेल दिया है 25 पे 8. बॉलर के लिए हैट्रिक नहीं होगा, टीम के लिए हैट्रिक होगा आने वाले गेंदों में. बैक टू बैक विकेट्स, रन आउट एंड नाउ कैच. गुड कैच टेकन बाय रवि सुंदर देयर. पांच दशमलव 3 25 पे 8 PIL. Oh, we have some correction. Ankur, is that Ankur bowling? Yes, Ankur is bowling. Good bowling from Ankur. Oh, now we have the captain, Vishnu Mishra, coming up. Excellent bowling again from Ankur. Just going down the leg side. Umpire freeing his arms. White ball. 26 पे 8. Single run with the bat. 27 पे 8. अभी भी मैच का कमबैक कर सकते हैं PIL टीम. इसके बाद एक कमिंग ऑफ द लास्ट ओवर, द लास्ट बॉल ऑफ द पेनल्टी मेट ओवर. प्लेसमेंट किया, एक रन चुरा लिया. थोड़ी सा मिसफील्ड हुई है दूसरा ने लेना चाहते थे लेकिन मना कर दिया. यस नो और ये क्या हो गया. 2 रन मिला. देखिए हंगरनेस होना चाहिए, चाहत होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि वो कहते हैं जितना चाहोगे उतना पाओगे, कोशिश नहीं करोगे तो ठाई फिश हो जाओगे. एंड दैट्स द एंड ऑफ द ओवर. 6 ओवर के बाद 29 पे 8. PIL coming up the last over of the first innings. Now it's coming the last over. Captain Vishnu on strike. Excellent bowling. Oh, we have Rashika with a 14 number jersey. Square leg umpire directly signaled that no ball. That's about the waist height. And coming up, the following ball will be free hit. Look at the confidence level of Rashika, bowling the runner-up skipper of the last season. And that's what the energy and excitement is on. Every cricketer's here, performing really well. Doesn't matter, men or women. Excellent bowling. Is the dot ball excellent? Look at the smile on his face. Rashika is having a good time. 2 गेंद बाकी है इस पहली पारी. मात्र 4 रन दिए हैं. इन द एयर, चांस, और ये क्या हो गया? व्हाट्स umpires call? Umpire checking and checking. In the air, refer to the third umpire. कैच छूटा, सपना टूटा. मौका था. Third umpire will have the confirmation. Here you can see that big screen. Low toss-up delivery, high in the air, and the long on fielder tried to get it. Six runs. One more. ये दिल मांगे मोर. और एक 6 की मांग है. देखना होगा. Last ball. Oh, that's gone wide. Now pressure on Rashika. 40 पे 8. Last ball of the first innings. This time down the leg side. Gone for wide. One more wide. It's just a matter of one ball left, but bit of just losing her momentum in the bowling, getting the extra runs added for the opposition. Rashika need to come back. Oh, no. Runs are coming. Mantra is passed to Rashika. Bowl simple, bowl straight. Cameraman are doing a tough job there. Good work. He's clicking up the golden moments of the cricketers. How many runs taken? What is this going on? 3 रन ले लिया है, क्या बात है। थर्ड अंपायर रेफर किया है अब तक कंफर्मेशन। Referring, third umpire, TV umpire director. We have the review for the run out referred by the umpire. But can we have a big round of applause for both the teams? Very well played. Excellent performance. PIL team फाइनली एक डिसेंट स्कोर। देखना होगा कितने रन आए लास्ट बॉल में। कंफर्मेशन विद द थर्ड अंपायर इज ऑन स्टिल। कितना मिलेगा टारगेट? सो पीएल टीम विल बी हैप्पी विद समथिंग ऑन द बोर्ड। दे हैव अ डिसेंट स्कोर सेटअप। लास्ट बॉल 3 रन आए हैं। सो 46-47 टू विन फॉर टीम ब्रुकफील्ड ब्रेव हार्ट्स। मिलते हैं छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद। Hello and welcome back once again to the Brookfield Premier Leagues 2025 Season 5. Match number 3 is on. The match between PIL versus Brookfield. Initially, Brookfield Bravehearts won the toss, selected to field first. They sent PIL to bat. PIL has given a total of 47 to chase for Brookfield. You're the two batsmen. Okay, the umpires are ready. They're checking with the captain. Fielders are ready. All the yellow army. चारों तरफ पीला समंदर. 47 the target to chase for Brookfield Bravehearts. Let's see. Interesting to watch. Every match is going very interesting. Roller coaster ride, we can say, for every match. And let's see who is opening pair and the bowler name on the board. Here we go, the first ball of the second innings. Over the fielder. That's being pulled away. First ball single off the mark straight away. Amol and Rajat. And starting the proceedings from PIL Ashish. Outside edge, but over the wicket keeper. Oh, what happened there? He was trying to hit on the stumps. You can see the action replay.
Outside edge, but over the
Oh, very good stop. Excellent stop. In the cover region. बहुत ही बढ़िया fielding. क्या बात. Oh, she's having some shout out there. What a strategy. Dancing down the track. Oh, maybe missed it. That run out. Keeping chance. Not dancing
down the track. Oh.
Completely missed it. अमोल. अच्छी शुरुआत by आशीष. मात्र 2 रन दिए हैं 4 गेंदों में. इस बार उठा दिया है हवा में गेंद. Just of delivery played straight over the bowler's head. He's disappointed with that. Could be the what happened there. Could be the chance for the catch in the follow through. Maybe he didn't try to get that. ओवर की समाप्ति. अच्छी शुरुआत by आशीष. 1 ओवर 4 रन और इक्वेशन इज नाउ 43 टू गेट फ्रॉम 36. 36 गेंदों में 43 रन्स की दरकार. Coming up the new bowler, and he has taken in the second attempt. Right arm around the wicket, looking to play across the line. It's got the outside edge, and keeper has done the job. You can see the action replay on the big screen.
Coming up the new bowler, and he has
Captain Vishnu takes it comfortably in the second attempt. It's like saving something at the month end in the bank account. That's a good catch taken. And coming up, the number 3 batter from Brookfield Bravehearts. So we're talking about PIL team, 46 on the board. They were struggling in the runs, but finally they got a good total. Now it's time try to defend. Shrida, the new batter. Good bowling. She was trying to swing, but straight to the fielder. Straight to the fielder. Let's see. Back-to-back 2-dot balls. Looking to play across the line, completely missed it. Oh, she tried to hit, but straight to the bowler. No runs conceded yet, and 1 wicket for Sahil. And that's a maiden over for Sahil. क्या बात? 2 ओवर के बाद 4 पर 1. Trying the level best team PL to defend this score of 46. 30 गेंदों में 43 रन्स. दो ओवर के बाद 4 पर 1. अच्छी शुरुआत बाय टीम PIL Panthers. There is something change in the field settings. Now Amol on strike. That's being smashed for a single. They lost the first wicket early in the first over. Injured in the second over, they lost the first wicket. So 6 balls for the women's, and if she score runs, that will count a double, but she didn't score. Not an issue. We have the new batter coming up. Looking to play onside, ball went to the long off region. 1 run. Bouncing down the track, completely missed it. Here we see the action replay. Good bowling from Shaurabh Rathi. और इस बार उठा दिया है हवा में गेंद. लपकने की कोशिश की एक हाथ से, लेकिन असफल. 1 रन यहाँ पर मिलेगा। 40
और इस
रन
बार उड़ा
चाहिए
दिया है
25 गेंदों में।
Lindo.
एंड दैट्स गॉन फॉर अ बिग वन। रन्स दौड़ के लेने पड़ेंगे। Very well inside the crease. Good running between the wickets by Ankur and Amol. ओवर की समाप्ति 3 ओवर के बाद 9 पर 1, 4 ओवर में 38 रन। So that's a required run rate of 9.5 every over. They can just take it as 10 runs every over to get this target. 3 over 9 पर 1. One big over can make an impact and a couple of good overs. There's a power play signal. Batting power play. Only one fielder is allowed at the boundary line. Absolutely fantastic work by all the umpires today. Umpires are looking very fine with the blue color. Men in blue. Let's see now. Row hit. Now in the bowling. Yes, that's his 45 number jersey. Swing and a miss. PIL team trying to defend. Previous over 5 रन आए। अब इस ओवर में देखना होगा अमोल और अंकुर क्या कमाल करते हैं, क्या धमाल करते हैं। इस बार डाउन द ट्रैक बड़े शॉट मारने की कोशिश, टोटली बीट हो गए। और एक बार अच्छी लाइन एंड लेंथ रोहित, और वो सही लाइन एंड लग रहे, गुड लेंथ रख रहे हैं, शॉर्ट पिच बॉल नहीं रख रहे। Once again hit hard. Single run taken. The difference is very much for the Brookfield Bravehearts to get 37 runs from 21. Couple of big hits can make the equation more closer for them. टोटली बीट हो गया। और एक बार कनेक्शन नहीं मिल रहा है अंकुर और अमोल को। जबरदस्त जोरदार रोहित पूरी तरह से कोशिश में, मात्र 1 रन दिए हैं 4 गेंदों में। Inside edge, excellent stop by the wicket keeper. No runs. PIL team very strong. पारी लड़खड़ाई थी, लेकिन वो कहते हैं कि कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। वैसा ही कुछ देखने मिला है PIL टीम के स्ट्रैटेजी को। इस बार आउटसाइड एज अक्रॉस लाइन खेलना चाहते थे, 1 रन मिलेगा। कीपर के ऊपर चली गई गेंद, कोशिश की, जंपिंग एफर्ट बाय द विकेट कीपर। एंड ऑफ द ओवर। 4 ओवर के बाद 11 पर 1, 36 रन, 18 balls. That's 12 runs every over. 12, 12, 12 to get the target of, to chase of 47. Can we have a quickly? We have some shortage of time. It's 11 for 1 after 4. A bit of discussion happening. 36 रन और 18 गेंद. यही ओवर है ब्रुकफील्ड ब्रेव हार्ट्स को मैच को कम बैक करने के लिए. अब देखना होगा. अंकुर अनमोल उठा दिया है, बहुत ही ऊपर चली गई गेंद. आशीष ने कैच ड्रॉप्ड. It's very tough to take the high catches because it's landing very with the speed. And single run taken. Down the track, high in the air, chance, and this time comfortably taken. और एक विकेट की पतन. विकेट की तलाश में थे PIL टीम. बहुत ही अच्छी यहाँ पर गेंदबाजी का प्रदर्शन रहा है PIL टीम ने. Second wicket fall of Team Bravehearts. 16 गेंदों में 35 रन की जरूरत है. मुश्किल है लेकिन नामुमकिन नहीं. देखना होगा. नए बैट्समैन हानोश, लेफ्ट हैंड बैट्समैन. Looking to swing offside region, completely missed it. Good bowling from Shaurabh Rathi. Absolutely a fantastic bowling performance, PIL team. Once again, trying to hit. Going back for the late cut shot. But he didn't get a connection. So one more dot ball. Ashish was talking, Manish was talking about muscular man batting. Hanush. Single. Off the mark, Hanush with the single. Still the game is not over. Still Brave Hearts 34 रन की जरूरत. 13 गेंद. इस बार हवा में गेंद. मौका है और इजी कैच फॉर द कैप्टन. Looking to play across the line. इस बार हवा में गेंद and gone. तीसरे विकेट की पतन. ब्रेव हार्ट्स losing the one more wicket. 5 ओवर 13 पे 3. 2 ओवर में चाहिए 34 runs. That's the required run rate is rising 17. A fantastic start for the day one of the Brookfield Premier League 2025. Match number 3 is on. And this is the last match of today's play, the first day. And now coming up the penalty minute over. The second last over we called as a penalty minute over in a term of in history, term in the cricket. 5 ओवर 13 पे 3. अब बॉलिंग में परिवर्तन, मोनाली comes for the bowling for the left-hander batsman on strike हानोश. उठा दिया है हवा में गेंद, सिक्सर, क्या बात, इसी की जरूरत है अब ब्रेव हार्ट्स को, मिला है मौका, शॉर्ट पिच बॉल, उठा दिया है हवा, भेज दिया है 6 रन के लिए. 28 रन की जरूरत है, 11 गेंद और 2 बड़े हिट, क्या कोशिश करेंगे, यही मौका है इस ओवर में ब्रेव हार्ट्स को. Well left by the batter, going down the leg side for wide. Let's see what Monali can do a comeback, or Hanosh will continue his flow. In the air and coming into the commentary box, 6 runs. One more big hit, cracking shot in the air. दमदार शानदार हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट 6 रन के लिए. $21 to get from 10 balls. The equation is now getting closer. This is the only golden chance for Brave Hearts. Is that one more? Yes, one more. 3 in a trot.
You said one.
That's 3 in a trot. Excellent shot, Hanosh, and this is what they needed. 15 रन चाहिए 9 गेंदों में. And this is, we can say, Brave Hearts, they got a bonus runs. So मैच को परिवर्तन कर दिया है. हानोश की तारीफ करनी होगी. But let's see. Still the match is not over. Monali, she can defend it. In the air, chance. What we talked about. This is something common to the curse. मिला है wicket. In the air, chance. अजब गजब cricket.
What do we talk
ये है
about?
क्रिकेट का खेल, कभी खुशी कभी गम. मोनाली बन गई है लेडी सिंघम. Okay, so it's now we're going to witness one of their nail biting finish. Brave Hearts or PIL. So Monali has got a wicket, though she conceded 20 runs. 8 गेंदों में 14 रन. One left-hander gone, one more left-hander in the air. Safe landing, coming back for 2. No, only a settle for single. Excellent fielding. And expecting the match till the last ball. The coming up after this, the last over. 7 गेंद 13 रन. Oh. She will be disappointed with that. Extra coming up. Down the track, in the air. Single to end of the over. But very good bowling also. At the end, she got a wicket. Something to defend. Okay, now the equation says 11 रन चाहिए 6 गेंदों में. 6 ओवर 36 पे 4. किसकी होगी जीत, अब किसकी होगी हार, देखना होगा. कहीं में जाएगा दोस्तों. 11 runs, 6 balls. Will they defend PIL team or Brave Hearts team? Will they get it? Dil dhak dhak, dhak dhak, dhak dhak. टोटली बीट हो गए प्रेशर बैट्समैन पर. रोहित बोल रहे कीप इट काम, कीप इट सिंपल. ओवर थ्रो में रन्स नहीं देने, आपके हाथ में ही रखिए.
Totally beat हो गए.
5 गेंद 11 रन. तारीफ करनी होगी दोनों टीम जिस प्रकार से स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ इस मैच को खेला है. Once again, this time, excellent bowling, change in line and length. Rohit, his expertise with his bowling action. And would you believe it, only 2 runs given in 1.2. What a bowling. One of the greatest defending bowling. ग्यारह रन चाहिए 4 गेंदों में. That's gone high in the air. 2 runs. And coming up 9 runs now, 3 balls. That's gone high in the air. देखना होगा एक बड़ा हिट मैच को कर देगा सुपर हिट. कोशिश करेंगे दीपक या रोहित करेंगे डिफेंड. अगेन दिल धक धक. आई एम होल्डिंग माय नोज आल्सो हियर इन द कमेंट्री बॉक्स. Down the track, he missed it. 9 runs and 2 balls. What a match, what a match. ये होता है मैच. अंतिम गेंद तक जब जाता है मैच तो ये है बहुत ही जबरदस्त मैच.
Check.
So Manish, it's now 2 balls and 9 runs. What a match. Is that the match for the PIL? One fair delivery last ball. तो इनके अकाउंट में मिलेगा विक्ट्री, विनिंग टिकट.
Check. All right. Sound console, can you please give a volume to this? Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
1 बॉल 9 रन. Oh, that's a dot ball, and with that, defending the score, the winner of the match number 3, Brave Hearts, won by 8 runs. Can we have a big round of applause for both the teams? Over to you, Manish.
नहीं वो he means to say जो winners हैं वो हार्ट से बड़े brave हैं. He meant